Hi guys, how na dey? Hope we are all cool. So as it dey sweet, na ya dey bring am guys. So we're going to meet inside Ankara with the air trap. So that is Ankara that we are missing. So we're going to fold it like that. You see that I fold the turban into two and place it on my head and I make it equal. So we're going to tuck that one inside at the back. So that is what I'm doing. And I tie it. So the hand you use to wrap the back. Yeah, you see what I'm doing. So guys, we have to do 4 style with the same head wrap, 4 style. So just stay tuned and watch from the beginning to the end. I know you surely love this style here. So just focus your eyes and continue watching. Guys, please always help me share my video. Please guys, I'm begging. Always help me share my video. Yeah. And comment and also like. Please and please guys. Anytime, any day you come across my video, please share. Please guys, please. So if you have not followed me on my Facebook, please do so. And also subscribe to my channel. Thank you all guys. Yeah. So just continue watching. That place we have to use pin to pin that place down. I've done that already. So remain the second side. So we use pin for the second side also. Use pin to pin that place also down. Yeah. Use pin. Guys, please don't be discouraged. If you have any talent, just bring it out. Do it and see the outcome. Don't think of what people will say that, oh, what is it doing? What is it? No. You don't think of what people will say. Yeah. You do what make you happy. You see that thing that you're hiding, that talent that you're still hiding. If you continue or if you started doing it, a lot of people will do what? Will learn from it. So why are you hiding your talent? Or are you afraid of facing the audience or what? Or you didn't have courage or which one? Please, wake up. Wake up. Because a lot of people out there have something to do. They have a lot of talent, but what is keeping them is, I don't want to face the crowd. I don't know how to do this. I'm shy. Why are you shy? No, you can do it. You see this head wrap that I'm doing. Let me just continue doing this too because I like keeping myself busy. Yeah, I like keeping myself busy. So, and you can see, it's not easy to be wrapping head wrap on your head by yourself. You all know. Like all those people that is planting hair on their head by themselves. It's not easy, but they don't have chance than to do it because they know that people are learning from it. Yeah, people are learning from it. So that's the reason why you have to do what? Wake up. So guys, you see our second style. This is our second style. So guys, very simple, very simple. Very simple to grab. Very simple to grab. It's not hard. So this is the third head wrap now. You see that one is very simple. I just want to twist that place well. not that hard one, just soft twisted. You can see how I'm bringing it up. So just soft one. I don't need to tie it. I don't need to let it tight. Yes, you lose your hand. The hand I suck it to the back. So I'm trying to pin that place down. So guys, you see now. Very beautiful and nice. So I have to pin that place down also. So look at it now, guys. So beautiful. See now. Alright guys. This is another one. I think this one will be the last style. Yeah. Just focus and wish it. So after pinning that place down, I need to pin the other side also. So after pinning that place down, guys, yeah, you have to pin the middle. You see where I put my hand, I have to pin that place also. I have to pin the middle. I have to pin it. No. So guys, pin the other side also. Make sure when you are doing it, you have to be extra careful. You have to be very, very careful because you will not use pin to go and injure yourself. So after that, we have to bring that place out. Bring it out little by little. Yeah. Bring it out. So we are going to do the other side. So we are doing the same thing to the other side. You can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to bring it out. So guys, please and please, I'm begging. Help me share my video. Please share. To those that have been sharing my video, thanks to you all. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Do not be commenting, like. Thank you. But let's continue share love. Let's continue sharing love. Yes, guys, please help me share my video. Help me share my video. Alright, guys, that's the last one. See it now. So see you in my next video.